Hello there. Um, this is a short but very important video how to keep your brayers clean. And this is a brayer that hasn't been cleaned in a while. You can see all the layers of paint. And what I have done is I soaked it in a solution of dish detergent and some hot water. I soaked it in this tub for a couple hours. And since the paint is water-based, it should peel right off. So just comes off like so. So what I can do is use a kitchen scrubby, and you see the layers just come right off. Now you don't need to apply too much pressure um, because the soapy water has softened the paint and it just peels right off. It forms like a skin, and exposing the underlayer of the brayer. Just rinse it. And give it a good scrub. Do the other side. Now I find this very necessary because if not, the layers of paint are going to keep accumulating and your brayer will be difficult to control. Okay, this may need to sit some more in some hot water. So I will do that and show you the brayer once it's been cleaned up. As you can see, the original is clear right here. So I will clean this up until I get a clear surface. Okay, I'm back after a bit of scrubbing in the sink, and you can see this is the original surface of the brayer. This is not a rubber brayer. I think this is more like a clear lucite, and they do have different properties. This one is rubber, so it is a little more bouncy. It has some give, and then this one is better for very smooth, very thin applications of paint. So depending on what you want to do, you pick the brayer that works for you. But either way, you have to keep them clean and take good care of them. You know what they say, you take care of your tools and your tools will take care of you. Um, it was my fault to let this go so far. You know, I get so excited when I um, see the results of my print that I forget to clean my brushes and clean my brayers. So it's an important part of um, shop procedure to keep your tools clean. Okay, so just a little bit of shop advice for all you printmakers out there. And I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching.